Near Protocol is a Layer 1 blockchain network which works as a platform for developers to build decentralized applications on. The most successful Layer 1 blockchain is Ethereum, so protocols like Near are seen as challengers. The key standard for Layer 1 networks are speed, scalability, and transaction costs. These factors are the focus for Layer 1 networks to get an edge over Ethereum, which has encountered issues with cost and speed over the last few years. Near Protocol operates in a similar manner to other centralized data storage services like Amazon Web Services that serves as a base layer for people to build applications on. But rather than being owned by a single entity, Near is operated and maintained by a distributed network of computers. So let's dig deeper and let me show you guys how this project began, how does it work, and what its future is. Welcome to your one-stop shop for all things related to crypto. So without further ado, let us begin this video. Before we get started, make sure to smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to make sure you don't miss any interesting crypto videos from me. Having said that, let's get into the video. Welcome to Cult Dao on steroids. So what's so special about Near Protocol? Well, for starters, Near Protocol is faster and cheaper than Ethereum. When fully launched, Near Protocol is expected to be able to process up to 100,000 transactions per second, while Ethereum, on the other hand, only averages double-digit transactions per second, and Bitcoin does less than 10. You must be wondering how Near Protocol achieves these astonishing numbers. Well, they use a technique called sharding, which helps them increase the speed and number of transactions. It involves breaking up the blockchain into subchains with different validators working on them. In simple words, the network solves the problem of becoming too big by cutting itself into smaller parts. Sharding is not a new concept. It has been used by many different blockchain networks. It has been talked about as a possible fix for Ethereum since 2013, but Near Protocol uses a unique form of sharding known as fully sharded network. Instead of simply dividing up the responsibilities of the validators, it divides the entire blockchain into smaller parts. Near has dubbed this technology as Nightshade and began introducing it in phases in late 2021 as the transaction volume on the network started to grow. Near Protocol has an application known as the Rainbow Bridge that allows participants to exchange Ethereum tokens back and forth across Ethereum and Near. To transfer funds from Ethereum into Near Protocol, a user must first deposit the tokens into the Ethereum smart contract. These tokens will then be secured and new tokens will be made on the platform of Near that represents them as the original ones. Because the funds originally created are kept in storage via the smart contract, this procedure can be reversed if the user needs to retrieve the original tokens. Aurora is a Layer 2 scaling solution based upon Near Protocol intended for developers to start their decentralized apps on Near's platform. Aurora is built on Ethereum's coding technology called the Ethereum Virtual Machine, also known as EVM, and an interchain bridge that allows developers to connect the Ethereum smart contracts and assets in an easy and seamless way. Developers can utilize Aurora to reap the low cost and high throughput benefits from Near Protocol, with the familiarity and the network of applications offered by Ethereum. This fully sharded network helps Near Protocol offer infinite scalability, which means that the number of transactions taking place on the network can grow indefinitely without hurting its performance. Besides these features, Near Protocol employs the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, as opposed to Ethereum's existing model of proof-of-work model. In proof-of-stake, frauds are prevented from violating the system due to the obligation for them to stake a certain volume of tokens in order to verify blocks. Near currently set its number of nodes to 100 and demands a minimum threshold in the range of 67,000 Near tokens to be able to take part in the verification of blocks with legitimate transactions. Alongside its speed and capacity, Near Protocol taps into the discussion about the environmental impact of the crypto industry by boasting about the fact that it has carbon neutrality. It collaborates with carbon offset companies to offset the energy usage. In addition, proof-of-stake systems typically are less polluting than proof-of-work alternatives. Near Protocol was founded by Alex Skindanov and Ilya Poloskinch. Skindanov was the director of engineering at the database company MemSQL, while Poloskin has worked at Google, where he helped them develop the artificial intelligence capabilities in search engine products. Near has raised more than $20 million over multiple ICOs. Near is the native token of the Near Protocol. It is an ERC20 token with a capped supply of 1 billion tokens. Near can be used for paying storage and transaction fees on the network. Also, smart contract developers can receive a portion of the fees that their contract generates. To keep the amount of Near scarce, the remaining transaction fees will be burned. Token holders can also stake their Near tokens to earn rewards. Staking helps run validating nodes for rewards that amount to 4.5% of the total supply of Near token. The token can also be used for governance of the Near Protocol by allowing holders to vote on decisions and submitting proposals related to the network. Approximately 35% of the initial supply of 1 billion Near tokens has been distributed in its early investors. Any Layer 1 blockchain project is as good as the applications that are built on it. Near Protocol has garnered a lot of interest in the crypto market, which has led to a lot of new and intriguing projects joining the network. So let's take a look at some of these applications. Flux Protocol is one of those applications. It is the fastest method for developers to create markets virtually everywhere. The goal is to create an open source software for markets that is simple, easy, and adaptable. The Near wallet serves as a base for the Flux open source software. Near wallet is a non-custodial wallet in the form of a browser extension that permits the use of account names for addresses, which makes it simpler and more familiar for Web 2 users. Another application is called Mintbase. It's a marketplace just like Amazon for creating and selling NFTs. NFTs range from digital artwork to event tickets and much more. It also allows even those with no technical knowledge to design and sell their own digital products using their smart contracts. Minters can create a smart contract and limit the amount of tokens that can be transferred, thereby dodging illegal transfers. What makes Mintbase unique is that it supports creation of many different digital assets, unlike other platforms that focus just on one single category. The cost of using smart contracts could often be in the double digits. Because of the limitations of high price, the Mintbase team sought out an alternative platform and switched from Ethereum to Near Protocol. Paris is another application on Near Protocol. It can be described as an NFT marketplace that concentrates exclusively on collectibles. They are adamant about bringing traditional collectibles into the crypto space. They began by creating digital artwork cards inspired from the traditional trading cards. They believe that each physical art piece should be saved and digitized in order to make them future-proof. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Near. Let's go over some of the technicals and the coin Gecko of Near Protocol. As you can see, we are ranked number 24 for Near Protocol at $4.39 at the day of the recording. Circulating supply is at 765 million, with the total plus supply sitting at 1 billion. This is getting close to what I like to see. I still wanted to see it just over 850 million. And usually what you'll see in cryptos About 85% of the circulating supply means that the coin is ready to go, and most inflation is on the backside. So you're not going to see a lot of inflation come through. All-time high sitting at $20.44. That was 7 months ago. All-time low was 2 years ago at 52 cents. Now for the technicals, we are flirting with the 0.23 Fibonacci level. We try to go up to it and break it. However, as you can see, we are now breaking back down. I still feel that this is a good spot to actually go into Near Protocol, just because there is a lot of talk on Near Protocol. I'm hearing a lot of rumblings. I'm hearing a lot of people getting bullish on it. So that usually means that it is time to start accumulating Near Protocol. So I would like to see a 13 ETH worth of Cult proposal sent for this. And I do think this will create big gains for Cult Dao. If there is a crash below lower lows for whatever reason, I would like to see 95% off of this all-time high. And that is anywhere from $1. So this level right here, where 9 times it has tested this level right here in this area, I would like to see this touched. So if we do crash for some reason and create new all-time lows, I would rush to the Cult Dao website to put another proposal in right at $1 to buy this at $1. This is a dip to buy. In my opinion, we will see anywhere from a 3 to a 3.5x over all-time high. Where does that put Near Protocol at? $73, which is a good selling point at this right here. If things get a little crazy, I could see it top out here at $86 or $90, because there's going to be a big selling point right at $100. So we would want to get out before $100 to avoid all of that sell pressure after the bull market is finished. So take profit zones could be $33, $53.57, $73.85, which is my sweet spot, what I like to see, and $86.39, beating the general retail public to their $100 mark. If Near Protocol is the big thing and everyone's talking about it, everyone's going to be ranting $100 Near Protocol. And my opinion, get out before you hear everyone else doing the same thing, trying to get to $100. So there you have it, the Near Protocol technicals. So there you have it, Cult Dao looking to invest in Near Protocol. What do you think about Near Protocol? Write your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your crypto friends. Lastly, do not forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell button icon for more amazing videos like this one. Thank you.